Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Programming with Mohit. So today we are going to learn how we can install Eclipse IDE on the Windows 10 machine. So let's get started. The first thing, before we download the Eclipse IDE, we need to see whether we have the Java installed in this machine. What we need to do is open the command prompt, which I have already done. Now just type in Java version, click enter. Now we can see we have Java 19 versions already installed here. We also have the JRE 19 installed, which comes with the JDK. Now if you want to learn about how to install Java JDK on the Windows 10 machine, I will share the link below in the description. You can see that video and come back to this video later. Perfect. Now since we have already seen that we have the Java installed on this machine, we can download the Eclipse. Open the browser of your choice, go to Google, just type in Eclipse download, click here, click on the official website of the Eclipse downloads. Now in the website you can see we have this thing, get Eclipse IDE 2022-12 package. Just click on this download x86-84, click on download. Now this installer size is around 120 MB, so we'll wait for the download to complete. Now once the download is complete, click on this exe. I'll minimize the browser. So we'll see the Eclipse installer. Perfect. Now we can see different versions of Eclipse here. One is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. We also have Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. If you scroll down, you will see many different versions of the Eclipse IDE. So based on the requirement, you can download any Eclipse IDE, but if you just don't want to focus only on core Java part, you can download this one. But if you want to do some work on the web development side as well, like Spring Boot, Hibernate, things like that, I would suggest to install this version. So I'll click on this enterprise Java and web developers version of Eclipse. Okay, just say install. So this will take some time for the installation. We'll come back once the installation is complete. Yeah, just to add, so we can see the Java version here, which is already installed in this machine, which is JDK 19, and it also shows the path where the installation of Eclipse will happen. Perfect. Now the installation has been done for this Eclipse IDE. We can just launch it. Click on the launch button. So for the first time, it will take some time to actually launch the Eclipse IDE. Yeah, so it will ask to create the Eclipse workspace. So you can use this path, see users Mohit Eclipse workspace, I mean whatever the path it will show you, or you can choose your path where you want to create the workspace. So workspace is the location where all the projects will be created and stored. So I will create a new path here. Okay, and I can just say new folder, and I can just say Java workspace. Yeah, just select this folder, and you can just click on this checkbox, use this as the default and do not ask again. So next time it will not ask the Java workspace, and it will directly launch on this workspace. So if I show you, it's going to create a new workspace here, and let me open the Java workspace. You'll see this metadata file. This has all the information about the Eclipse workspace. When you create the projects and all those things, this information actually goes into this metadata file. Now for the first time, when you open the Eclipse, you will see this help page, wherein you can go through the tutorials, samples, overview. You can even create the new Java web project and other things. So I'll just close it for now. Now we'll learn how to create our first Hello World Java project. For this, just click on the file, click on new, and for the very first time you have to click other. Here you can click on Java project, say next. Here you can define any name for the project. So for this demo, we will say Java demo, and you can keep the default location as the workspace, so it will actually create the project in the Java workspace which we have chosen before. And the execution environment is Java SE19. Just remove this create module info.java file, because we are not getting the module project, we are just getting the simple Java project. Click on next. Okay, and just say finish. So it will ask you for the perspective, right? So we will learn about the perspective in the coming videos. For now, just click on open perspective. Perfect. Now we can see the Java demo project here. Open this one. You will see the JRE system libraries, which will have all the libraries which is required to run the Java projects. Now in the source, we can just create the package, simple package. Okay, now here you can define the name of the package. So for this demo, we will just say com.mohit.demo. You can name anything here. You can just say com your name demo or com.your company name .demo, whatever the package name you want to define. Just say finish. Okay, in the package, once we have the package here, we can just create a new Java class, say new, and click on this class. Okay, and we can just say Java demo. So it's a public class because it's a main class, right? And the superclass is java.lang.obj. Don't touch anything here. Just click public static void main, because for the main class we should have public static void main, which is the entry point for all the Java projects. Just say finish. Perfect. Now we have got the Java demo class here, which is inside the package com.mohit.demo. So in the hello world class, we can just have a simple system.out.println, and we can just print hello world. So that's how you actually print hello world to the console. Okay, just save it and just run it as a Java application. Perfect. Now we can see hello world printed on the command prompt console of the Eclipse. Perfect. So we have created our first Java demo class successfully on the Eclipse IDE. That's it for this video. See you next time. Thanks a lot for watching this video.